everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a project share and a couple Christmas cards I got today. First off, last night, if you watched my live, I was messing with some candlesticks I redid and then some ornaments, and I was kind of experimenting with the ornaments. Well, the first one didn't turn out. Yeah. I had put Brie ink in here. It looked good when the glue was drying, but this is how it totally dried. I don't like it, so I'm going to soak this and submerge it and soak it and see if I can get some of this out and try to redo it. So yeah, this one was a fail. But the other ones that I did some glue and glitter, I liked how they turned out, and I was surprised actually how it dried, but I'm okay with it because I liked how they looked. This is the little ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I put some glue and some glitter in there, chunky glitter, little glitter, and look how it dried. It's like it still has the glue look, so that I'm okay with. I thought it looks pretty cool. So all I did is I took my white paint marker and put my name, took some twine and wrapped it around it, put some bells, and then these beads I had and some beads up here, and it can hang on my tree. That's the red one. Here's the green one. I did the same thing except in green. Put my hubby's name on it. And then the next one I did is, this is the red ink, Brewery's ink. And some spots, for some reason, it wouldn't take the ink. So I put some green glitter in there. Oh, by the way, Lucy's my cat. And I just sprinkled some glitter inside. And that's what that looks like. And then look at the back. Isn't that kind of cool? I just like how that kind of looks. It's a good look. So then we're going to go on my tree. Put them in my three. And like I said, I'm going to soak that other one. See if I can clean it up and make something with it. If not, I'm out of, a couple. I think I paid like a quarter, 50 cents for it. But them are these Dollar Tree ones. Them are kind of cool. I like how that turned out. So, I like how the glue stayed. Now if I tried to do this again, it would never work. Alright, now to the Christmas cards. I got two today. One from Tanya Montgomery. Look at, guys, this is how it showed up in my mailbox. Yeah, man, talk about rough trip. So, she's got this cute little sticker with a moose, and a snowflake, and then some washi tape. We're just going to pull it off the side. Ooh, it's a Christmas Santa with a truck. Love it. It says Happy Holidays. Look at Santa in a red truck. Oh, too bad it didn't go all the way around. I like cards when you open in the back, kind of continuous. I'll still use that after the season because I keep all my cards. I refurbish them. It says Happy Holidays. Look at the barn. I'm going to put that in a frame. Oh, in a little package. I'm going to put that in a frame. That'd be cute, just in a frame and decorate around it. So let's see. Oh, look at how she decorated the inside. She got snowflakes, this Christmas tree, the snowman. Oh, and then look at the red truck. Hey, where'd you get that sticker? Like that. And the candy cane, it says, Merry Christmas to you, Tina Ann. Wishing you all the best this Christmas. XOXO Tanya. Love it. And look at, see, my mailman said I was going to be glittered. So she must have had these in there too, in the package. They're probably all over between where she lives and where I am. There's got glitter bombs somewhere. So that's cute. And there's this little package. Oh, look at this cute little tissue paper. It has my name. It says Tina. So let's see. I'm trying to take the tissue paper. I want to reuse it. So I'm just going to cut off the top so I can read. Cute. Make that into something. So, whoops. Okay, I'm still recording. I thought I hit my stop. Let's see. Oh, something broke. I got everything out. Feels like it. Oh, the Christmas tree broke. I'll glue it. So we got a wooden Christmas tree. Cute. And, oh, we got pieces. That's mail for ya, but I'll glue them. So we got a truck. Okay, we go like that. It's a little glue fixes everything. Oh, that's a bummer. But I'll fix it. I'll just, okay, does it look like this? There we go. Like that. I will glue them together and I will fix that. So there's the truck. That's cute. Thank you. That's mail for you. Like I said, I'll just glue them. It's no big deal. And then there's some die cuts in here as well. Oh, look at the little gnome. So cute. Oh, look at the little barn. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. And it's a little barn. Oh, look at the pickup truck. Happy holidays. I can't, something, trees. I can't read the really small print, but it says trees. Another one. Another gnome. Oh, look at, they're different. They all different? Oh, they're all different gnomes. Oh, I'm going to have to make something now and put that in my kitchen. And a little elf. That's cute. Thank you, Tanya. Love it. Get right there. And then I got a card, and I'm hoping it's a Christmas card because it's from my world in OKC. It's got little snowman Santa, or snowman Santa. Or is it just Santa? Oh, it's just Santa. My bad. My eyes are getting bad, guys. Oh, I don't want to do. Okay. Alright. Look at the inside. Oh, look at this. Look at her paper matches her card. Or her envelope, sorry. It says Merry Christmas. Look at the polka dots. I like this. It's pretty. And it says, and a very happy new year. Merry Christmas, my sweet friend Tammy, OKC. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you both ladies. I like how you did your card. Now, if you did that, I can't tell. Or if you, like, came up with it and, like, printed it out on your printer. But that's pretty cool. Oh, okay. Brother and sister. Oh, she probably designed them. I think that's where you can design. That's pretty cool, though. I like the polka dots. Awesome. Thank you both, ladies. I love it, love it. And like Tanya, I will fix these with a little glue. You'll never know they were broken. Especially the way I fix things and paint things and add things to them. You'll never know. So thank you both, ladies, for the Christmas cards. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a wonderful evening. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And Merry Christmas, everybody. And bye for now.